To clean or replace the air filter on your Ranger XD 1500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, tilt the rear cargo box to access the airbox. Then, wipe the area around the airbox. Next, release the 6 airbox cover latches and remove the cover. Then clean and inspect the airbox cover seal, replace if necessary. Next, remove the air filter. Then inspect the airbox for oil or water deposits. Wipe away any deposits with a clean shop towel. If the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Next, place the air filter into the airbox and reposition the airbox cover and install the 6 retaining latches. Make sure the airbox cover is properly seated when reassembling the airbox. If equipped, the air filter service indicator is located next to the vehicle's airbox intake tube. The indicator displays a visual representation of the air filter condition. 3 colors will be shown. Red equals service now. Yellow equals service soon. Green equals filter is good. To reset the indicator, turn the top of the indicator back to green. Finally, lower the cargo bed. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.